to Rage 508 card breaks, and today we have Rookie Card Explosion Box Volume 22 by none other than Philmington, aka Michael Francesa of This Hobby. So stay tuned, see what we get here. Salute. I know I haven't made a video in a while, been super busy, but wanted to come back with a bang. So we have the Rceb Volume 22. And here's what you got for packs. Always awesome lineup of packs from Philmington. Does a great job. Best subscription box in the game. Not because he's my homie. Definitely for the value. You can't go wrong. So here's the rookies we're going to be looking for. Keep this aside. Always blesses us with peanuts. Appreciate that. I always turn around and use those on the old eBay. Make somebody happy that they don't get a dinged up Bill Buckner rookie that I sent them. So, put this aside. So here are the packs. Got 82 Donruss, 15 update, 16 update, 18 Heritage High number, always awesome, 18 Series 1, love it, 19 Chrome, yes sir. Oh, looks like we were a candidate for the extra packs. I'll take it. 2 pinks, salute. That's the first time in, I think, about 10 boxes that I got it, so that's always awesome. Got 2020 Chrome. Nice. 2020 Minor League. And Series 1. Alrighty, guys, let's get to it. We're going to go old to new. Guys, pack 1. I'm shooting this one day ahead of my birthday. Be the ripe old age of 22. All jokes aside, be the big 39, and figured why not, and I'll do another video tomorrow. Here is 82 Donruss, and we are looking for Ripken, Lee Smith, and others. Okay, got the puzzle piece, we got Fergie Jenkins. Alright, Fergie Jenkins, Keith Hernandez, Pat Tabla, Felipe Alou, Jorge Orta, Fernando Venezuela, third, yeah, Dell Unser, Johnny LeMaster, Red Sox, no, Tiger, there. John Wackenfuss, what a name. Frank LaCourte with the porn stash. Got Charlie Huff, there's a nice one. John Grubb. Alright. John Elias Ellis. Ken Reitz, Johnny Ray. Alright, so not too crazy. You got Fergie Jenkins and Charlie Huff. Alright, not bad. No Ripken or Lee Smith. But hopefully we're saving the big boys coming up. Alrighty, pack 2. 15 update. We're looking for Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Buxton, Gallo, Syndergaard, Eddie Rosario, Gio Urshela, Peterson, and Tommy Pham. Alrighty. Hope everybody's been well. Been watching a lot of you guys' videos. Working full-time and full-time eBay seller and pack cracker. Been super busy, but no excuses. Gonna be kicking the videos back out, so thank you for everybody that has hung in there. Here's Brett Anderson. There's Eddie Rosario, rookie. One of the ones we're looking for. Take that. There's a Gio Urshela rookie. So here we go. We're heating up. Mike Moustakas All-Star Game. Mark McGuire, rookie sensation. There's a nice Trout. Rookie sensation for 87. There's a nice Trout. First back-to-back All-Star Game. Any Trout is a good Trout. We will take it. And we have rookie combos of Max Muncy, Tyler Landoff. That's crazy, he was on a combo. So 3 good rookies out of this. Jorge Iglesias, Billy Burns, and Ken Segrist. Alright, so we got 3 good rookies out of this. Sleeve those up after. Was Max Muncy even on that? I don't think so. Nope. Max Muncy wasn't even listed. Huh. Alright. Philmington, you gotta put Max Muncy in there. Guys, bashing home runs, man. Alrighty. 16 update with my man Big Poppy on the front. Bring us luck, please. Got the knock going, double knock. And in this, we are looking for Trevor Story, Tim Anderson, Wilson Contreras, Lucas Giolito, Blake Snell, rookie cards. And there is Dan Jennings, Stephen Piscotty, rookie debut, David Freese, Andrew Miller, rookie, Mike Melicon, Andrew Miller again, All-Star Game. That's a different Andrew Miller. And 300, Craig Biggio, Kevin's dad. That's a cool looking card. 3000th club, sorry. Eduardo Nunez, Mike Melicon again. This is the doubles pack. And Edwin Diaz, rookie, who gets rocked on the Mets. Dude throws meatballs and gets rocked. Alright. Sorry, Mets fans out there. Okay. Now we're getting into the big boys. 18 Heritage High number. You know who you're looking for in this. Cunha, Torres, Soto. Everybody else. Alright. We got Stephen Vogt, Jake Lamb, Marcus Stroman, Hunter Renfroe, Cole Calhoun, nice Mookie Betts, New Age performers, Dellin Betances, Pinstripe Pals, Judge and Sanchez, and Harrison Beta, Jack Flaherty, rookie. Alright, so we got a decent rookie out of there. And Flaherty and Beta. Some decent cards. Everything will get sleeved up after, so I don't hold the video up. As always, if I miss anything, please don't hesitate to comment down below, as I am human. Here's 2018 Series 1. Looking for Davis, Walker Buehler, Flaherty. Who else? Victor Robles, Andujar, Ozzie Albies, Clint Frazier, Willie Calhoun. Alright. And this for a while, I was scooping all this up when everybody was not paying attention to it. I got a ton of Devers rookies and everybody else mentioned. When this stuff was just sitting on the shelves, I luckily scooped it all up. We because I knew some of these guys were going to definitely hold their weight, as in Devis and... Alright, Kyle Schwarber, Nick Pavetta, Amir Garrett. There's the Devis. Whoa, skipped over. Strasburg, there's the Devis. It's in nice shape too. Jeff Bagwell behind it. On the Strohs. Duval Herrera. Is that a short print? 026387. Here's Justin Turner. No, it's not a short print. Julio Urias. Absolutely lighten it up for the Dodgers. Gio Gonzalez. So we pulled the Devis out of there. That's the best rookie to get out of there. I will take it. So we're doing much better. Some of the other ones that I filmed, I didn't have the greatest luck, so I didn't upload them. But I said, let's give this one a shot, and so far we're rolling. Alright, so here's 2019 Chrome. You know you're looking for Tatis, Alonso, the man on the cover, Vlad, and Eloy, and also parallels of them. And we got the pinks too, so maybe we got a couple different shots at getting them. J.P. Crawford. Got a prism of Walker Buehler cut card. That's nice. George Springer. And Noma Mazza. Okay. And the prism is not numbered, I believe. No. Alright. So we did get that Walker Buehler second year. Rookie Cup. Let's see what we get in the pinks. Come on. It's awesome to get the bonus packs this time around. Try not to ruin this for you guys. Alright, so we have Sean Anderson rookie. Austin Riley pink. That's nice. Oh, there's only 2 in here. Huh. Thought there was 3. Oh no, 2. Alright, so we did get Austin Riley though. Take that. 2 rookies, Sean Anderson. Alrighty, come on. First card is Joey Gallo, All-Star Game. Second card is Pete Alonso, rookie debut. Pink. I will take it. Why not? His prices have dipped a little compared to Cunha and everybody else, but I believe he's going to hold weight, and that's a good one to get, obviously. Top tier one to get. I will take it. Nice. 2019 update. Looking for the same gentleman that we just spoke about. The last packs. Let's see here. So far we've been doing pretty good. See Freddie Freeman on the back. Spencer Turnbull, rookie. Brian Dozier. Keston. Take that. Joe Kelly. Ryan Helsley. Hansel Robles. Homer Bailey. Andrew McCutchen. 35th anniversary. 84. Yandy Diaz. That's a nice photo right there. Cody Bellinger, record-breaking month. Javier Baez. Montana Durapo. It's Michael Chavis. Rookie debut. Freddie Freeman. Of course, all the motorcycles and stuff. Everything else comes. So we got the Castanera. So far, we've been hitting pretty good. Don't want to jinx it. I cannot complain. This is a nice box here. That's what she said. Alright, so here's 2020 Topps Chrome. That's the guy Whaley's in the background with the motorcycle. Looking for Luis Roberts, Bichette, and others. JD Martinez for the Sox. Austin Nola, rookie. Jose Too Small Altuve. And Ramon Laureano. Alrighty. We got 2020 Minor League Heritage, which I didn't open any of, I don't believe. Let's see. Looking for, imagine, Julio Rodriguez, Wander Franco, and others. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't open any of this. Tariq Skubal. Probably the same prospects in Bowman. Got a Jesus Sanchez. Freitas Nova. Geraldo Perdomo. Oh, as we dropped the Andrew Vaughn Mini. Thank God it didn't get damaged. That's nice. Andrew Vaughn. Michael Taglia. Grant Levine. Francisco Alvarez. So we got the Andrew Vaughn Mini. Bazooka. Right? Let's see what the odds are on that. Bazooka numbered test card 1 and 6. Is that it? I didn't see it numbered. Oh, number 8 of 20. Okay, so 1 and 6. I'll take it. Alrighty, in the lonely last pack. 2020 Series 1. I opened probably 6,000 packs of this. You know who we're looking for, Bichette, Alvarez, and company. Sandy Alcantara, Francisco Lindor, Jose Berrios, Luke Jackson, Abraham Toro. That always fools me every time for the Jordan Alvarez. Alberto Mondesi, Jose Urena. Just looks like he wants to hit Acuna so bad right there. Randy Arozarena. There's a good pull. At the beginning of the year wasn't the coveted rookie out here, but now he's one of them. Brock Holt in the rain. Trevor Bauer had an awesome year. CJ Cron. Aaron Nola. Jesse Winkler. And Big Meat Pete to end it off. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for tuning in to Rage 508 Card Breaks. This was Rookie Card Explosion Box of Volume 22 by Senor Philmington. Thank you guys for watching.